Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Creative 47 YouTube channel. This is going to be a really brief video. I'm just going to show you about this button you might have not known about, and I thought I'll share it with you. So I want to change the color of this to like maybe a two-tone color, and usually I go up here and then I go to where it says pattern and I'll click on that. And I downloaded so many here, and all I have to do is just click on this and it'll do that, and click on another one, then scroll down and click on another. But I don't want to do that. Then I have to scroll down and see what I have. So I'm going to go back up here and do no color. So what I decided to do, to click this button right here at the bottom left, and it pops up both screens. It pops up whatever you want to work on. I had the pattern open, so that's what is going to pop up. So now I can watch, I can work both ways instead of going back and forth, scrolling down on the smaller screen. Now I have a bigger screen up here where I can see majority of my images. So all I have to do is just click on a letter and just change each one, or you can hold your shift key down and grab all of it. I think I didn't grab that B. Oh yes, I did. And then just click on it and it's changed all of them at the same time. Or like I said, if you want to change it differently, you just click each individual letter and pick whatever color that you want, and it will change that color to whatever you pick. So then after you finish, you just go back down and click this arrow here, and it takes you back and you're done. So that is my tip for today. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.